Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Winter belly oil for pregnancy. Hi mommies! When it comes to the growing belly during pregnancy, ingredient-rich belly oils are popular for taking care of the skin. Belly oil, as the name suggests, it is used to rub on your pregnant belly in order to provide relief from dry, itchy skin and to help reduce stretch marks. What does belly oil do? I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you that. You've probably seen people discuss applying jojoba oil, vitamin E, coconut oil on the pregnant belly. But why? Depending on the ingredients, a good belly oil can be very useful for a number of reasons. Some evidence suggests that a water in oil cream containing argan oil and emollient ingredients may be helpful in the prevention of early treatment of stretch marks. Some ingredients can keep your skin moisturized and hydrated and help relieve dry, itchy skin. Using belly oil can feel amazing, and what pregnant woman doesn't crave that? Some belly oils can make your belly glow, allowing that pregnancy glow to reach far beyond your face. Why do pregnant women use belly oil? Belly oil is a useful tool for pregnancy and it helps moisturize the skin and helps with dryness and stretch marks on your growing belly. It can even be useful for other parts of the body such as breast, hips and thighs so that the changes in the pregnancy are managed. Can belly oil reduce stretch marks? We believe pregnancy stretch marks are beautiful reminders of growing a human that doesn't need to be reduced. However, if you're curious, there is some evidence that these ingredients do impact the stretch marks. So keeping the skin moisturized while stretching is key to reducing it. So applying oil around the belly is very helpful. When should I start applying belly oil? Every pregnancy is different, but it can't hurt to start using belly oil during your first trimester. The skin can become dry and painful and you'll have a changing body before you know it. Like with the skin on your face, keeping the pregnant belly skin moisturized from the beginning has positive effects. With the right ingredient list, the pregnant belly oil may be a great tool for not having stretch marks and to avoid dry and itchy skin as well. What ingredients should I look for in the belly oil? It is important to make sure that any product you use or ingest while pregnant are safe and effective. Check out the list on that and only then use it. Caprylic acid is useful for inflammation and dry skin. Plant oils like sunflower oil, argan, coconut, soya bean are great for skin repair and contain anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Rosemary extract is also very good and it has very good antioxidant properties and it neutralizes the free radicals and helps prevent stretch marks. Are there any other ingredients that I should avoid in belly oil? Most belly oils in the market are safe for pregnancy, but for skin and cosmetic products in general, make sure you keep an eye as to what the ingredients are. How to apply belly oil? Applying belly oil is a simple task. Just get a few drops or mist of your oil and rub over any area you want to keep moisturized, like the belly, thighs, hips and the breast. Depending on what brand you are using, go slow and be very gentle. For liquid forms of the oil, a few drops should do the trick. The best thing is after taking bath, when your body is still a little moist, that is the time when you apply it. So the absorption is the best, and once before sleeping you can apply it. Be gone dry skin and stigma. Some say that stretch marks are your baby's first paintings and we think they are beautiful. Stretch marks can be wonderful reminders of your pregnancy, but if you'd like to reduce these marks while keeping moisturized skin, belly oil can be very useful. Just use a few drops a couple of times during the day because they have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. If you're currently pregnant and feeling the swelling in your body, try the cooling creams to help you relax and refresh. Pregnancy is a beautiful thing and your body should be taken care of. Thank you and namaste.